In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom design size. So as we mentioned before, we go to create a new design. And once you're here, if you want, you could create a custom design size. So if you want to create a custom design size and you don't want to use any of the templates that are provided, such as the Instagram post, the Instagram story or Facebook story, etc., you could just go to custom size and click on custom size, and then you'll be required to enter the dimension or the size of the design that you would like to do. So now the units for this size is in pixel. So normally for social media and digital design, you normally use pixels. However, you could click on pixels and you could change it to inch, you could change it to millimeter, you could change it to centimeter as well. So if you're working on a document that is like a letter size or so, you could just change it to inch, and then you could put a width to be like a letter size, which would be 8.5, and then you could change the height to maybe 11 inch, all right, because we're using a letter size, and normally that's a letter size document. So you could set it up like that, and then you can just click create, and now you have created your custom design size. All right, so this is a letter size, and then you could a letter size page, so you could go and you could start creating your design from there. So that's how to create a custom size design page. All right, so a new blank page, and you could begin your design and start creating in any size or custom size that you would like to create in. So I'll see you in the next video.